Hello ladies and gents, we're tossing you an updated version of a video we already did, as we have a new and super useful product to go with it. Did I mention that other than lug nuts, this may be our easiest install ever? Save your applause, it's the Gktech SR20 clear CAS cover, now with more rubber gasket. This can be added to the long list of things I wish were clear, like my future relationships and airplane wings. Now all those SR20s that did pull a premium before race wars are now pulling even more of a premium. If your car won't start one crispy fall morning, it could be because you blasted it with 125 psi of water, getting it ready for the Hot Boy car show you got 13th place at. Now, as we were all supposed to learn at a young age, water and electricity don't play well together, and your CAS becomes moist, then sad, then doesn't work properly. It very well may look something like this, bulging out the side of the CAS and causing all sorts of issues. Enter Gktech. On top of providing a window into the sensor-on-sensor action controlling the 4 cylinders of Fury, we now let you seal it properly to keep that moistness away. Will it come in a tidy white box? Yes. Will Zach shimmy it like there is no tomorrow? Also yes. That's a given. Lift the lid, yeet the box, and whip off the Dangerous in California bag, holding it all in. Like your buddy who always wears camo pants and you can't see his legs, take care not to lose this since it is crystal clear and hard to see. We did emblazon it with the Gktech logo on the front to make it a tad easier to spot when you do set it down. Moving right along to the newness. Nissan saw fit to stop making these for the 30-year-old motor you're still playing with, so you can thank them every single time you blast a puddle in your car and it won't start afterwards. So thank you, Nissan. We saw the need and jumped in since the SR20 was kinda where we started. Presenting the O-ring or gasket or seal or whatever you want to call it, it's going to keep that wetness away. Now let's install it, shall we? Step 1, turn the engine off, which it should already be since you couldn't start it in the first place. Now unplug the wiring. Then grab Gktech favorite tool number 69 and loosen the 2 small screws that hold the boring as black cover on. Get that out of the way, then remove the sad, tired, non-sealing O-ring and slingshot that thing into the trash. Pop on the fresh AF super new super helpful O-ring and get it seated where it needs to be primed to get squished. Then take the cover you for sure didn't misplace on the CAS and that fresh O-ring and install and tighten both screws, completing the proper squish. Please, for the love of God, don't mess this part up. Now connect that wiring harness to the CAS. Once fully cranked and pleasing old soldier boy, you will be treated to one hell of a spinny boy show. Man, I could watch this for hours, or at least until something else on this 30-year-old crap box of a motor destroys itself. This install may have been difficult, but it's Kratotes worth, IMO. Anyway, these are the Gktech boys. Some are running Jesus' motors in their cars and have no need for this product, but 2 aren't. I'll let you deduce who's who on your own. If you can't install this, hang it up, retire. Seriously, go live a life lesson sane. You could email us with issues on the install, but we may or may not make fun of you profusely. This has been Officer Dan, Johnny Caps, Joshy Josh, and Bro Ring Zach with another Gktech How To. Peace.